Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. Today, to do an update video of one we shot, I think 5 years ago, and we titled it Angle and Pressure. And these are the two fundamental concepts that you're going to have to learn as a wet shaver, whether you're using a straight blade or a safety razor. The same exact technique is what's required to master them. So what do I mean by angle and pressure? So I always tell people who are new, they come in the shop, they're asking like, oh, is it dangerous to use one of these? Am I going to cut myself? I always tell people, well, think of it this way. If you hold the razor like this, it's going to do nothing. If you hold the razor like this, it's going to do nothing. You have to find that right angle. And how do you find it? By feel. I can tell you some degrees, but you're not going to get a protractor out in your bathroom and measure what this is. You're going to do it by feel. Load up your blade and your safety razor and start with the cap on your cheek and start slowly coming down until you feel that blade engage your whiskers and actually start trimming the hair and you find that really comfortable, ideal angle. Now, the job really begins because it's your job to learn the muscle memory in your wrist and your arm and start maintaining that angle. And you're seeing, I'm not doing this. This isn't a cartridge razor with a flexible head. It's not going to adjust. It's a fixed head. There's no spring action here. You're going to find that angle and you're going to slowly just use your arm and work down. I like to do what's called blade buffing, which is little strokes like this, just little strokes. Just work it down. Not these strokes. You're not using a cartridge razor or a Bic disposable. Little nice strokes. Find that right angle and you're going to be in a great place. Your shaves will be wonderful. Now, straight razor is the exact same thing. You're new to straight razor shaving and you are scared. Oh my God, I'm gonna slit my throat. Don't worry. Start always with your cheeks. Build up some confidence. You can work towards your neck and your chin, whatever else later. Same thing. Put the blade straight on your face, nice and flat, and slowly just start increasing the angle until you feel it engage. Now, with a straight razor, it's always a good idea to also pull up on your cheek, put a little bit of some tension, some skin stretching as it's called. The safety razor, the safety bar does that. It kind of pulls your skin down as it's going right before the blade. Well, there's no safety bar in this. You do it yourself. But you're going to find that right angle, and then your job again is to maintain it and use your arm and your elbow and your shoulder more than your wrist. You don't want to be doing this. You want to be doing this. Nice, confident strokes coming down. Now, that's just one angle. That's just one part of this. It's the angle only. The second factor of the equation is pressure. Just as important as angle, if you have the wrong pressure, you're going to be in for a bad shave. So how do you know how much is enough? Well, it's just one of those test and feel. You don't have to be doing this and jam it in and pulling it down because, again, the head's not flexing back, so it's going to be rigid, just nice and easy, and feel for it. The more pressure you put, you can end up cutting yourself, you can get an ingrown hair, just nice and easy. They say this famous phrase, let the weight of the razor do the work. I'd say yes. I would still say maybe add 10% pressure. You don't want to be sitting here limp wrist and just kind of letting it do its own thing. Be confident, give it a little bit of pull, but you don't need to be digging in on it. Same exact thing on a straight razor. Feel for that right amount of pressure that's needed. Again, your skin stretching, you're pulling down, you're moving around. You'll feel the amount of pressure. Too much pressure with one of these, you're definitely going to get a cut. I actually have a pretty nasty scar over here from years ago. I had been away from straight razor shaving for a while, and first thing, I went up with my left sideburn and just dug right in. I had the wrong angle and the wrong pressure, and I paid the price. It took about a week to heal, and I still have a little scar for it. But go easy, take your time, there's no rush, and have fun. That's what it's all about, right? So angle and pressure, the two concepts you're going to have to master if you want to get involved with wet shaving. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment below. Do you have experience with this? Have you also lacerated your face with one of these tools? Let me know in the comments below. And if you do, you're entered to win this, the official Razor Emporium black and blue t-shirt. We appreciate you stopping by the channel today. Check it out. It's a pretty cool place to be. Razor Emporium's YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel, like it, share the video with your friends, and we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.